Center-state relations legislative. So, which of the following articles deals with the extent of laws made by Parliament and state legislature? Article 245, 256, 254, 246. So, answer is A. Next, consider the following statements. Which of these are correct? 1. President can make regulations for peace, progress and good governance of all union territories. 2nd, President may direct that an act of Parliament does not apply or apply with a specific modification and exception to tribal areas of Meghalaya, Tripura and Manipur. Answer is D. Solution. The President can make regulations for peace, progress and good governance of union territories Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Ladakh. The President may direct that an Act of Parliament does not apply or apply with specified modification and exception to tribal areas of Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Next, which doctrine states that within their respective spheres, the state and the union legislature are made supreme? They should not encroach up the sphere demarcated for each other. So answer is doctrine of pith and substances. Option है doctrine of collateral legislation, doctrine of severability, doctrine of eclipse. Answer is doctrine of pith and substance. Next, which of the following is true regarding the Government of India Act 1935? 1. It provided threefold enumeration of subjects, federal, provincial and concurrent. 2nd, the residuary power were given to the Governor General of India. Answer is C. Next, which of the following are matched correctly? 1. E-commerce residuary subject. 2nd, Article 246, 7th schedule. Answer is both. Next, which of the following is concurrent list subjects? 1. Audit of accounts under union and the states, interstate quarantine, bankruptcy and insolvency, betting and gambling. Next, consider the following statements. Which of these are correct? 1. The Constitution of India divides legislative, executive and judicial powers between center and states. Next, Article 245 to Article 255 in Part 11 deal with legislative relation between center and states. Answer is 2 only. Solution. The Constitution divides legislative, executive and financial power, not judicial power. Articles 245 to 255 in Part 11 deals with different aspects of legislative relations between center and states. Next, the Constitution provides for parliamentary legislation in the state field under which of these situations? 1. Rajya Sabha passes a resolution. 2nd, national emergency. 3. States making a request. Answer is D. All of the above. Consider the following statements. Which of these are correct? 1. Supreme Court has held the Parliament cannot make laws on extraterritorial matters which have no impact on the interest of the country. 2nd, Article 245 provides for the doctrine of territorial nexus. Answer is both. Next, who can make law on insurance? Parliament, state legislature, both IRDAI. Answer is Parliament. Next, consider the following statements regarding Article 252. Which of these are correct? 1. When the resolution is passed by the state legislature, the power of the state to enact law on that matter in state list is surrendered to the Parliament. 2nd, the consent of the states is required for subsequent amendment and revocation. Answer is 1 only. Solution. When the legislatures of 2 or more states pass resolutions requesting the Parliament to enact laws on a matter in the state list, then the Parliament can make laws for regulating that matter. A law also enacted applies only to those states which have passed the resolutions. However, any other state may adopt it afterward by passing a resolution to effect in its legislature. Such a law can be amended or repealed only by the Parliament and not by the legislatures of the concerned states. The effect of passing a resolution under the above provision is that the Parliament becomes entitled to legislate with respect to a matter for which it has no power to make a law. On the other hand, the state legislature ceases to have the power to make a law with respect to that matter.